Hey there, YouTube. Hope you're having a great day. I couldn't have called it any better today if I had had a crystal ball. Let's look at the market, see how we ended, talk about our plays, and what all I moved around today. I think you're going to like it. Let's stick around. If this kind of video brings you any value, do me a favor. Hit the like button and hit the share button. The more good you put out into the world, the more you prosper, and I want to bring everyone out of poverty. That's what these videos is for, is to try to teach you how to trade, how to invest step by step so that you don't get out there and not know what you're getting into. So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get right into it. Now, we ended up with the S&P up 1.18% on the day, Dow Jones up 1.12% on the day, and the NASDAQ up 0.90%. VIX was down a little over 2.75%, and the S&P's already up about 0.75% in the aftermarket as well. So just an overall fantastic day, and it really paid off well for us. Now, I called out Alibaba earlier today. I said I bought that on Friday. Actually, we bought it on Wednesday, and I've been holding that ever since. It was looking really good in the pre-market. I said that we wanted to see that open and stay above the $78 range. Now, that didn't happen, so I'm still holding the stock. We didn't get up there where we wanted to. However, we're still up on our play. I'm not concerned about it, but we didn't get that hold above $78, which is what I'm watching for. Because if we can get that hold above 78, that could be where we really take off and push up toward that about $86, $89 range, which would be fantastic. Let's talk about the plays we did do extraordinarily well on. We was holding some NEO from Friday. Bought that at $11.77. Had a stop loss in on that today. If it dropped down below $12.77, I said I'd go ahead and sell it. Sure enough, it did. We run up over $13 at open. I was really hoping to see it push on up over $14, but then it started pulling back, and that's why we put stop losses in. Either way, locked us in for a solid $1 profit on that, which represented an 8.5% gain on our money. Really happy with that. We also had some Coinbase that I bought on Friday. Bought that at $63.56 in the after hours. I told y'all Friday afternoon I was going to be looking to pick up some more. Bought that at $63.56. Sold that today at $72 for a solid 13.2% gain on that trade, which was fantastic. And then what did I do? I turned right around and bought some more of it. We started coming down, sold out at 72. I let it come down. I was looking to try to get it at 65. Kept getting down close, coming up. I said, you know what? I'm just going to take a position at 66, and that's what I did. Same thing for NEO. We sold NEO today. I also bought a position back because, like I said, I still see this going up. At these prices, NEO's going to climb back up. I feel very confident back up to $16, $17, $18 sooner rather than later. So I like having a position, but I also wanted to make sure that if the market dropped, we locked in some profit. So we locked in our profits. We got 8.5%. Turned around. I was looking to see it dip back down and hit 12 or maybe lower, looking at the resistance lines. Didn't get that. It kept teasing me right around the 12.10 range. I ended up picking up a position at $12.12, and that's what I'm holding right now. Now, I also called out a stock this morning that I said you could have gotten the pre-market, and that is Signature Bank, ticker symbol SBNY. Now, I called out Signature this morning. I seen it. It was sitting at $148 a share, which I said I thought was a great price. I went ahead and took a position in. And then what did it do? It dropped down even more. and I took another position at 144. That gave me a double position, and considering I bought a little bit larger position on the second one, gave me an average of $145 even on my two positions, which tickles me to death because I sold them at $158.50 today, which brought us in a whopping 9.3% gain on that trade. It was a fantastic ROI, and it was a little over $13 a share, which made for a very, very nice return. And what did I do? Again, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I love Signature Bank. So I picked up some more when it dropped down. It dropped down. It looked like it was kind of bottoming out. I was looking to get it around the 152. Did not give me that opportunity. So I went ahead, bit the bullet, and took a position at 153.50, which I like that price, and we're already up in the after hours on that position, almost $5 a share. I love Signature Bank. If you don't remember how long we've been rocking with this, I have been buying Signature Bank for several years now. In fact, Signature Bank was one of the first big money winners as far as stocks I ever bought. I bought them back in February of 2021, picked them up at $190 a share. Less than 9 months later, sold them at over $330 a share. Fantastic. I didn't trade daily back then. I was more in and out, swing trade type positions, but in less than 9 months on that position, we made a bundle, and I've loved Signature Bank ever since. I think that it has a lot of potential moving forward. Long term, I absolutely see Signature Bank up over $300 the way it sits right now. So I like being in it, and I definitely think, I said on the video this morning, that with Signature starting to run up, we could see it get back up in the 160 to 170 range very easily. So even at 153.50, I still think that there's a chance for it to run up another $10 to $20 a share from the price it's at now. We'll keep an eye on it, but that's what I've been doing. If you like this video, like I said, share it with a friend. Wish them prosperity as well. And until next time, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers. Catch you later.